Hey, to manage apps notifications on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to go to the settings. Next from this, you will have to actually go into the notifications and go into the app notifications. And as you can see from this, we can actually find a list of all apps that we have on our smartphone. When you click all these three dots, you can also show the system application. But as you can see, for most of them, we unfortunately cannot turn off this notifications. So in my case, I'm gonna hide them. And now let's say that you receive a lot of Gmail notifications. So if you want to avoid these notifications, you can simply unclick this switcher like this, and you will don't have any notification from this application. As you can see, in my case, as a default, it is actually turned off. But let's say that I have a lot of notifications from the weather app. So I have to just click here and it's done. So right now, please subscribe to my channel.